Linking your bank to Printify is essential for receiving payments from your sales. Follow these steps to complete the process smoothly. Step 1. Create a Printify account. Visit the Printify website and sign up for an account if you haven't already. Fill in the required details and verify your email to activate your account. Step 2. Access payment settings. Once logged in, navigate to the settings section in your Printify dashboard. Look for the payment or payment methods option to begin linking your bank account. Step 3. Choose bank transfer option. In the payment settings, select the option to add a bank account. This may be labeled as bank transfer or direct deposit. Click on it to proceed. Step 4. Enter bank details. Fill in your bank account information, including your account number, routing number, and any other required details. Make sure the information is accurate to avoid payment issues. Step 5. Confirm and save. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the escrow.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Now you are all set to receive payments from your Printify sales directly to your bank account. Make sure to keep your payment information updated for seamless transactions.